Hi, and welcome to this new thing I thought I would try out, and that's an unboxing of this new model that I have bought. This Britain's Valtra Valmet 115 forest tractor called X because it's articulated and it's in 1:32 scale. This is what the package looks like. I bought it used, so it has been opened before by the previous owner. And here it shows a picture of the tractor and the harvester head and the crane and some logs that come with it and what you can do with it, move the crane around and how it's articulated like the original, and also how the crane moves and that you can remove the cabin if you like to release the driver, and the grapple or harvester head, what you like to call it. And this they made for when Valtra introduced their X series, that you could get like as a city model or a forest model or farmer model or something like that. So here's something technical about it. As you can see, but it's very rare to see these models. This is the first one I have seen in Finland that I bought from an auction site. So here what the package looked like. Very nice model. Doesn't seem to have much scratches or damages or anything. It doesn't have the forest roof, the glass in it that the real tractors have, but I don't just think they make these from some other type of cabins like the other tractors I have, so that I will show you later. So, but it has very nice details and fire extinguisher there and something like that, and these are for the loader that were for the city model that the tractors came with them, I think. If it's part of the frame or something, I really don't know. It has a hitch here and things like the original tractor had. Not so long crane, but it's okay. Don't care so much about that, but as you can see, it's very nice. And the other things that come here is just these 3 logs, as you can see here. So that's just about it. And here I have a brochure of when the tractors came out. That's in Swedish, but here's a picture of it and a trailer that you can get to, and here you can see the special roof they had on the tractors with glass, so you could see the treetops and so on. But you can find some of these with a trailer, but it's very unusual and it's not something I try to collect as much because I don't buy everything of this I found, but just something that I like for fun. And here I have some other. This is the other that comes with a trailer. This was Valtra's forest line. They also have a F line that has a much different cabin, with much more glass in it and things like that. But I have seen one of them as a model, but I think that one was homemade, so I don't think I will ever find one like that. If it comes for sale, it will be pretty expensive, I think so. But there is some other pictures from the other brochure of the tractor, so. But I will show you my other tractors, and so stay tuned and I will show them. Here we have them now all stacked up together. All my Valtra tractors. I don't have so much of them, but I don't have any need to collect everything that I found. I just want to buy some special ones that I can relate to in some places or like that. So that's the first one I got when I was maybe 10 years old. Then I bought that one because I found it and I hadn't seen any S260 before. And this is a 8400 and this is 6400, which is based on the same tractor as this one. And then I bought this and this. That's a T213 and this is a N143. And I also last bought this C120 because I found it on the same time as I found that one. And since they all are in green, I think it's funny that they match and I like it, so that's. And since I always wanted this one, it's nice that it's matched in green, so. And I also have this Ponzi Scorpion harvester and this Valmet for harvester that I found on the same auction site as this one, and also that Ponzi forwarder, an elephant. So that's all for now, and I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching, and see you again later.